In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Trends Real-Time Search, fast and easy. Let's dive right in. First, open up your favorite web browser and type Google Trends into the search bar. Hit Enter, and you should see a list of search results. The top result should be Google Trends' official site. Go ahead and click on that link. Once the site loads up, you'll notice a lot of information on the homepage. There's a lot to explore, but for now, direct your attention to the Explore option. It's usually on the left-hand side menu. Click on that, and you'll be taken to the main data dashboard of Google Trends. Here is where the real fun begins. Your next step is to select Trending Searches. You'll find this option on the same left-hand side menu. Once you click on it, you have two choices: Daily Search Trends and Real-Time Search Trends. Choose the one that best suits your needs. For the purpose of this guide, we'll focus on real-time search trends since our aim is to analyze what's hot in search queries at this very moment. After making your selection, press Enter to pull up the trend graph. This graph will show you the search interest over time, which is key to understanding the ebbs and flows of online curiosity. To make your data even more relevant, you have options to set location and language filters. Go ahead and choose your target country or region. For precise information, make sure the keywords you're focusing on match the language of your target audience. For an expanded view, you can choose a time range that fits your needs. You might opt for the past 12 months to catch recent trends, or go broader with the past 5 years for long-term patterns. It's a nifty tool that lets you grasp how interests have shifted over time. If you have specific interests, explore categories like business, entertainment, sports, and technology. Filtering by category hones in on search trends pertinent to your chosen field, allowing you to gather insights more effectively. Now let's zoom in on real-time trends. Take a moment to analyze these trends. Look for keywords experiencing sudden spikes in search popularity. This is your chance to find inspiration for content creation or marketing campaigns that align with fresh public interest. Don't stop there. Scroll down further to the section labeled Related Queries. This is a treasure trove of other search terms that people are using in conjunction with your topics. It's fantastic for expanding content ideas or refining your ad targeting strategies. And if you're juggling multiple interests, use the Plus Compare feature. This lets you track multiple keywords at once, helping you see which trends are gaining more traction in real time. Finally, scroll down to examine the results. It'll give you a complete picture of what's happening in the world of trending searches. That's how simple it is to harness the power of Google Trends Real-Time Search. Enjoy discovering the digital pulse of current events and make data-driven decisions with ease.